In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to redeem MetaQuest gift cards using the new 2025 method. Let's get started. First, download and open the MetaQuest app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Log into your account and you will land on the main dashboard. Now look at the bottom right corner and tap on the menu option. From here, you'll see several choices like Profile, Events, and more. Tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option Redeem Store Code. Select it. This will open a new window where you can enter your gift card code. Simply paste or type in your code and tap Submit. Once confirmed, the balance or content linked to your gift card will be added to your MetaQuest account. You can then use it to buy apps, games, or in-game content directly from the MetaQuest store. And that's it. You have successfully redeemed your MetaQuest gift card in just a few steps. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.